ताच्या सायडीन जावन ताचें ऑर्गन फेल्युअर जाला. आतां आमी कित्याक गेले जाणा कित्याक जे तुमचो दामोदर नायकर म्हणून हांगा कॉन्स्टेबल आसा वो आय थिंक ही वॉज इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर इन्वेस्टिगेटींग ऑफिसर तो दामोदर नायकर लुपोज आमी वी हॅव गॉन थ्रू मेनी थिंग्स नाव एंड वी हॅव सीन दॅट रॉंग हें केल्लें आसा. कितें तेणें रॉंग केल्लें आसा तुजें रिपोर्ट आसता पळय तो रॉंग केल्लो आसा. मेनी एफआयआर तेणी रॉंग कॉपी जाल्लें आसा म्हणून आयज ते उल्हास नायकाक जेणे एक्शन केला ताका बेल मेळिल्ली आसा. See, certain loopholes which are there, what he has done, we have found out now. Ajay Kadabav, sister, when we went around, because he also wanted to know, because the reporter that Rani was standing on the road with the dog, and at the center of the road, and go to see what happened. No, she was not at the center. She was at the side. This fellow has come with such a speed. CCTV कॅमेराचेर आमी पळयल्यार कळटा अदर कार्स वर एट स्पीड ऑफ 20-30 मॅक्सिमम. दीस फेलो वॉज एट मोर देन 100. दॅट इज द रिजन रानी वॉज इन द फूल ऑफ ब्लड सारकें आनी डॉग डायड देर ऑन द स्पॉट. बट हे दामोदर तुमचो आसा पळय म्हारेकरान सगळें रॉंग घातिल्लें आसा. ताणें भलतें सांगलें आसा. ताणें सांगलें गाडी खंयच्यान येताली SMRCच्या सायडीन सांगाव आसा त्या सायडीन येताली म्हणजे बोगद्या सायडीन सगळें रॉंग. CCTVचेर आमी सारके फुटेजाचेर कळ्ळें फुटेज आमी हाडलें आसा आमी पेन ड्रायव्ह घातली आसा ती फुटेज. एवरीथींग इज इन दीस एंड वी इवन केम टू नो दॅट कल्प्रिट एक्यूज हीज वायफ रायट हीज वायफ ताजी वायफ जी आसा RTO पुलीस ऑफिसर शी वॉज सीन मेसिंग अप with the evidence. She was going it seems and she has visited many places where there are CCTV cameras there. Many shops it seems. Many shops are there. She is working in one of the shop. ताजी going in मता. Who is battling life. ताजे मॅडम ने सांगले नाही आमचे कडे येयले न्हू म्हाका कोण ते रूपा नायक RTO ऑफिसर. She was fidgeting. She has fidgeted with the evidence आमचे what is that CCTV हेचे. When we went to there, you know, एक एग्रो नर्सरी म्हणून आसा तें सारकें ऑपोजीट ICICI बँक very excellent place. थंय आख्खे कॅमेराचेर दिश्टी पडटा आसलें आनी कितले स्पिडार कॅशे मारला कोणें कितें सगळें. बट वेन वी वेंट टू द एग्रो नर्सरी दे आर टेलिंग अस दॅट CCTV रिकॉर्डिंग जावना म्हणून फ्रॉम 6 to 8 o'clock whatever. And the reason what they are telling us is that there was no current. Now tell me when we found out current सगळे लोकेलिटीक आसा थंयच current कशें नाशिल्लो. मागीर आमकां आनी कोणे तरी बरें गूड सॅमरिटन कोण शॉप आसा पळय तेणी आमकां दिले. आतां ही खंय पुलीस ऑफिसर आसा ती RTO ऑफिसर ती सेटिंग करपाक भोंवताली आनी बेस्ड ऑन द प्रूफ एंड कंप्लेन्स वॉट वी हॅव गिवन एंड वॉट वी हॅव गिवन CCTV फुटेज आमी दिता ताजेर आमकां दुसरो न्यू FIR जालो जाय. दॅट गोज एज नल एंड वॉइड. एम आय रायट? Null and void. We are not going according to that. We want justice for Rani. She is battling. She is very serious. She is very critical for no fault of. ह्या पुरुषाच्या आमकां पर्सनल काय ना. अजून ताची बायल आनी तो अजून त्या रानी ताच्या भयणीक पळोवपाक GMC वचूंक ना. हाजेर आमी निशेध करता. आमी सगळे दिल्ले आसा. तूं मातशें पळय आमी ही भाजी पळय केल्या पळय शेवपुरी ते भाजी पुरी ते आमी एक्सेप्ट करना FIR. ही पळय आमकां जाय निवड करपाक जाय ताका. पळय आमचो डिमांड आसा दामोदर नायकर म्हणटा ताका इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर म्हणून एक तितलो बेगीन काडून उडोवचो जाय. अदरवायज यू विल सी अस अगेन कमिंग विथ डबल क्राउड एंड वी डोंट आमकां इजी जाता आमकां हांगा बसपाक कांय ना. आमी रातचे समज 8 हांगा बशिल्ली आसा जाल्यार आमकां राती 12 निघून येवपाक जाता. पूण आमकां नाका आमकां न्याय जाय. वी वॉन्ट जस्टीस फॉर देयर सिस्टर. आयज आमकां कळ्ळें कितले लूपहोल्स आसा ते. अरे FIR सगळे रॉंग घातिल्ले आसा. That day we were saying that even the dog died the dog died and Rani was serious in the pool of blood. But go to see, forget the dog dying. There are other things also. So I look Rani दाखयला त्यांनी FIR as if she was standing on the road with the dog at the center. No, Rani was not standing at the center. Rani was very much at the turn. And the speed which we have found out now on the CCTV cameras, what police should be doing investigation. But the family is doing the investigation. Boss म्हणटा ते CCTVचेर दाखयला सगळे 20 स्पीडाचेर आसा 20 to 30 स्पीड. आनी वो उल्हास नायक जेणे एक्सिडेंट केला जो इंटॉक्सिकेट आशिल्लो टायट आशिल्लो वो फ्लायींग जेटा भशेन 100च्या स्पीडाचेर गेला म्हणून. आनी रस्तो दाखयला खंयचे तेणी FIRाचेर तुजे दाखयला तेणी SMRC इंटरसेक्शन रोडाचेर येता म्हणून. जो वास्को रोडाचेर मेन रोडाचेर जाल्ले आसा. आनी थर्ड आमी फायंड आउट केला ताजी जी बायल आसा पळय रुपा नायक हू इज द RTO ऑफिसर शी इज टेम्पर्ड विथ द एविडन्स. वी केम टू नो पळय ताजी भयण आसा ते थंय कामाक वता वन ऑफ द स्टोर्साक. ताज्या भयणीक थंय ते मॅडमीन सांगला खंय एक ती मॅडम आयिल्ली ताजी बायल भोंवताली म्हणून CCTV कोणें काडला कोणाची आसा ती काडपाक. बट her madam is refused. But when we went to Agro Nursery, right? Agro Nursery. Ajay Bab went and he found out. Brother went and he just wanted to find out. He said, just give us CCTV footage. Because Agro Nursery जे आसा पळय ICICI च्या ऑपोजिट बँकाच्या ऑपोजिट डायरेक्ट आमकां दिश्टी पडटालें कशें आनी कशें पडलां आनी कितें जालां तें. बट दे रिफ्यूज्ड. So we know now that तांचे कडेन सेटिंग केलां म्हणून. Agro Nursery is lying. They're telling us lights went off. It seems 6 to 8 लायट ना म्हणटा फुटेज ना. सो हांकां एकल्याकूच दुसरो लागता अरे आमी सगळ्या स्टोर्सांक थिंगा सायडीन विचारलें सगळीं म्हणटात लायट आशिल्ली. सो हाजे कडेन सेटिंग केलें म्हणून आमकां कळलें. बट देर आर सम गुड सेमरिटन्स. वी वेंट वी गॉट we had put everything in the pen drive, all the facts and figures.
There are certain, not certain, mostly I think 80% is mentioned fabricated wrongly in their report. With respect to the crime scene, the victim's brother Ajay has made a sketch which you can focus here, and we'll be explaining the crime scene. Also, we have given this sketch to the department, okay, to really mention as to what has happened on site on Friday at 7:38 p.m. The FIR report earlier mentioned that the car has come from the opposite direction, wherein the car never came from the opposite direction. It had come from the airport road towards Chikalim, where Rani was walking with her dog, and everything is stated in this letter which is inwarded today from the brother of the victim. And also we have mentioned the facts, yes, definitely, and we've also asked for request of change for the investigating officer by the victim's brother. We have asked the investigating officer, namely Damodar, to be replaced with some other officer.